Righto, guys. 2 p.m. candle printed, and obviously we had some action in that. I think last time we drew the rising wedge, which was to be normally always breaks to the downside, and break to the downside it did. So that was based on, well, structure, but it's based on some news come in that JD Vance has returned to the USA with no real answers to what's going on. No agreements reached, so no deal. Anyway, that gave the market makers an excuse to dump and take the liquidity on offer. So everyone that was long all through here just got wrecked, absolutely wrecked, including myself. I took a long up here just for trying to capture the top of this, but yeah, no, tight stop, low risk, low capital lost. So protect your capital at all times. So you don't chase these candles. It's obviously made its move now, so we wait for it to settle. There's no structure here. There's no structure here for us to go on. And like the indicator says, nothing's changed. We're still in a high time frame uptrend. If you wanted to go that little bit further and stick this trend line, oh, not that one. If you wanted to go that little bit further and stick this trend line there, we're still in a trend. All right. Doesn't mean it's not going to come back down here. It's likely to come back down here because now we are trading as we stand with this candle at the moment. We're now trading in this range here. All right, so I've taken a short. It's been, like I said, all weekend it's just been chop, absolute chop. So it's protect your capital. That's all I can say. We'll go down the time frame. It's still got bullish pressure on the 4 hour. Go down a time frame to the 1 hour, and you can see we've actually broken structure here. We broke the demand, we've pushed through, definitely got acceptance, and now it's playing around here in this little section. There's still, it's given us a signal now of bearish pressure, and it's signaled a short. So 4 hour gives us our bias of up, 1 hour gives us our direction inside the range. So now 1 hour was saying up, 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 up. It's obviously tired out here, and news come in. We've dropped the MAs, broken structure to the downside. So the bears have taken control of the direction within the 4 hour block. Back to the 15-minute is where we get our entries. So it's really touch and go at the moment. So don't go chasing anything. You can see it's come down. It's found demand, rejected from below. Tried again, rejected from below. And now it's just funneling down, taking the liquidity that's been all created in here. So is it going to push off here and ruin everybody's short theory and go back and take that red vector? More than likely. It's a weekend. Bitcoin will wreck accounts on the weekend. Trading on the weekend is not good. But the positive thing here is you can see all these wicks taking out the liquidity inside the previous candle. So they're cleaning up their mess as they go, which makes it even harder for us to decide long or short. But the liquidity inside this range is this vector here. It's a breaker candle. It's more than likely going to get recovered. If you wanted to take a long, you'd be looking at, if you wanted to take a long, I'm so used to using the short tool lately, you could do something like that, and that would make sense. First TP there at the structural level, that's a 4-to-1 nearly. If you wanted to try a luck short like I have, I'm just playing around. I got my short here at that there. And when we go to Ethereum, you'll see why I chose that area. So yeah, we've lost the MAs. I still think it's going to come back and stop me out. All my stops are at entry, so I'm comfortable. No risk. I'm in free trades. So we'll move straight to Ethereum, because this one gave us a clearer structural position. So you can see here on Ethereum where it's done exactly the same. It's broken down. Now it's actually created a demand. This is a fresh demand. It's come down. It's had a reaction, another reaction, created the demand, pushed up, rejected above. Very next candle, pushed up into, wait for candle close, push off, and then reject. So that was my entry there. So most of my entries were on that confluence or that confirmation. So I've got positions that in most coins that look something like this, or most of my trades that I've got. And now my stop loss is at entry because I don't trust it. So it's Sunday, markets aren't even open. Anything could happen. There's been bad news. There's still liquidity above. So this is all liquidity here. We'll go back to Bitcoin so you can see it as an overall market thing. You can see it's just sitting on demand here, and volume, it's all short. Everyone's just piling in. So we know there's liquidity above. There's no reason it can't come back over the next 12 hours, or who knows, someone will tweet something and we'll get a God candle and it'll be just like it was at the last update again. But weekend chop, protect your capital. I haven't got anything else to add, guys, but if you wanted to get some entries, join me in Zoom. I'm happy to go through and show you anything you need to know about what you want to trade. So yeah, have yourself a lovely day and we'll see you in a few hours.